Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Kraken Kitty Edition headset to an Xbox One. The only method involves using the headset's 3.5mm audio jack directly with your Xbox controller. This ensures basic audio and microphone functionality. You will need the headset itself and its included 3.5mm audio cable. Confirm your Xbox One controller has the compatible audio port at the bottom. Connecting your headset is straightforward. First, take the 3.5mm audio cable and plug one end into the corresponding jack on your Kraken Kitty headset. Next, insert the other end of the cable into the 3.5mm audio port located at the bottom of your Xbox One controller. If your controller does not have this port, you may need an Xbox One stereo headset adapter, which plugs into the controller's expansion port. Once connected, it's important to verify and adjust your audio settings on the Xbox One. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. From there, go to Profile and System, then select Volume and Audio Output. You should see your headset listed under Speaker Audio. Here, you can adjust the headset volume, headset mic monitoring, and the chat mixer to find your preferred balance between game audio versus chat audio. It's important to note that when connected via the 3.5mm jack, the Kraken Kitty Edition will function as a standard analog headset. This means USB-specific features, such as the vibrant chroma RGB lighting and advanced audio customization through Razer Synapse, will not be available on your Xbox One. The headset will provide excellent audio and microphone quality, but without the digital enhancements. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to simplify your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.